All right, guys, I'm going to show you how to use Google Drawings to write a thank you note. So you'll see it opens up kind of like this, and I made a copy of it. It's an assignment in our classroom. But you can add different things. So if you wanted to do a handwritten note and then just take a picture of that, again, you'd follow the same things that we did for I forget what that was, the gratitude. So you could click insert image and you could click your camera and hold it up and take a picture. You can also do that right here, the camera. But if you want to do a Google drawing on here, you can also do that as well. So to put text in, this is the text box. So you could make it like that, and I could say thank you for all that you are doing to keep our community safe. I appreciate you. Now that would be a pretty boring card, and so you can highlight it and change the font. Probably want to make it so that it's something, I don't know, big, and I could change the size. Again, you can kind of mess around with all of this stuff. I could change the color. So maybe I want the background to be red and I don't know, the text color to be white. This is kind of, again, yeah, you can adjust this stuff. There's spacing, whatever. You could also, let's see, if I wanted to do a shape, maybe I want, like I was thinking like a heart, because so you can stretch it out. And obviously you'd want to change this color too. And so again, all of this stuff is up here. So there's a heart. You can delete them as well. But again, this is kind of a way that you can do Google Drawings.